Okay, I'm back. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna make a few of these videos and splice them together or just this one. But anyways, I'm gonna explain it all over again. So I have in here 5 cups of water, and I have the beef bone standing on top just so you can see it. So I'd use a 12-quart pot and put only 5 cups of water to boil the beef for about 3 hours. I added MSG, 2 tablespoons to help it boil. Then I put in lemongrass stem, 2 of them in there. And then straw mushrooms and bamboo shoots. And garlic as well. And now I'm going to add the other parts. I did have the bok choy, the base in there already. This withers pretty fast, so that can go in last. I have Thai chilies chopped up with habanero, and then that's lime juice. About 3 limes. It's gonna be delicious. That can go in right now. Okay. Pearl onions. And red bell peppers chopped up. And I guess I'll just put that bok choy in now. That's fine. Sorry about the camera angle here. Tried to get a better job. All right, so it looks like that. Kind of neat. It smells amazing. The lemongrass aroma is coming out. This pot has been going on for, gosh, almost 4.5 hours now. There's 2 beef bones in there. So this is pretty. Oh yes, I have fish sauce. About, I'd say half a cup of this in there as well. And it's almost be ready to consume in a little bit, and I will show you the finished product shortly here.